So today I'm going to be doing some palm tree and flamingo nails. It's funny, I'm doing a voiceover in front of Harry, my puppy, and he keeps looking at me funny. So I've prepped the nails. I'm just cutting the tips so they are coffin shaped. And then just give it a little file at the end to just straighten them if it's not straight enough. It's an old file, but I just use it for this. I'm just giving it a wipe over to get all the dust. And now I'm going in with Wild Watermelon by Naio Nails, which is a neon pink. So I do 2 coats of this in between, curing each layer for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with Tropical Beach, I think that was called. Same again, 2 coats, curing in between for 30 seconds. Now I'm going over with matte top coat, which also cures in the lamp for 30 seconds, which is an LED lamp. It's 2 minutes for a UV. Couldn't think of it then. So how are we all? How have you spent your lovely Jubilee weekend? Have you had any street parties or anything? I've just been relaxing. I've been working 5 nights for the last 4 weeks, so now I'm just going on the ring finger with white. 2 coats of this also. I'm sure I changed this one, the middle finger. I'm sure I did. Okay, so now I'm just getting my clear jelly stamper with some water, put my decal on, leave it 10 to 15 seconds. Don't need too much water, I'm just literally dipping it into the water, it's not much on the brush at all. So leave that to work its magic. I'm just drying off the excess. There's the flamingo. These decals are from Nail Sugar. Excuse me. They've just brought out some new goodies which are in my videos, which I will be receiving very soon. So now I'm going in with this palm tree. Simply just slide it off. Give it a dab. It wouldn't stick. So when it doesn't stick, I've just No, it's not going to stick. So when it doesn't stick to the nail, I am just going to go over with a really thin layer of base coat, just so it gives it that tacky layer again. And pop it in for a cure, and then your decal will stick. Like so. Just cutting off that excess at the end there. Okay, so now, no, I didn't change it. I've done the white base, so these colours popped a little bit more. So now I'm going in half of this. I'm going to do an ombre. I've only done ombres a handful of times. I'm quite happy with actually how it turned out in the end. Didn't think it was going to work. As you'll see in a minute. So I'm just putting that up to the other colour. Just make sure you don't get any on your brush, because you don't want to contaminate your gel polish. And then get your ombre brush and just slightly feather it over so it mixes the colours together. See, it doesn't look very nice there, does it? But I popped it in for the cure, and then I done it exactly again, but went in with the pink first over the middle, and then went with the teal tropical beach, whatever it's called. Sorry. And then done exactly the same. Why do your neighbours always be so loud when you're doing a voiceover? Okay, so now just slightly feather it, mix it, and I went further down this time. Oh gosh, that doesn't look good. Can you hear my neighbours? Gosh. It is sunny though. It's nice outside for a change. Okay, so that's how it looks shiny. But I'm just going to get some decals, so just pop some water on there. Again. As you can see, this is a really great trick. Hack, whatever you want to call it, tip. Just doing a couple of palm trees. The links are all down in my description box below. I do have a few codes available now as well. And keep a lookout for next week's video, because I will be doing a giveaway, because I am nearly at 400 subscribers. So I just want to thank you, every one of you. Thank you, every one of you. Thank every one of you for subscribing to my channel and supporting me. I really do appreciate it. So now I'm just going over with some matte top coat. I just thought I'd get some gel paints. I forgot to start recording when I was doing them. I'm just doing like little birds. Just like wavy lines really. thought it'd add to it. And pop that in for a cure. They are Goddess gel paints. That's that set done. Really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I loved creating them. Here's a few snapshots of the finished design. See how that ombre looks now? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.